Today we have a 2020 BMW M4 CS. Came through for a Resonator delete. Come, you're too far. Come. So we did the Resonator delete right here. You know, we just chopped that out, ran some pipe, nice and clean welds. This is the Resonator right here. Restrictive, so we threw it away. Now it's gonna sound like a BMW. Not too loud, not too crazy. It's not gonna sound like those crappy BMWs. This is class, okay? Do you know what money looks like? It's right there. All right, we're gonna bring it down, fire it up. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, G Exhaust is franchising. You have all the links in the bottom of the video. And if you want some t-shirts like this or our new Muffy D merch, also links in the description. All right, see you guys later.